I am Muhammad Nasrullah, Chartered Professional Accountant, serving public for more than 20 years in the GTA and surrounding areas. Today's topic is the 5 benefits of having a professional real estate corporations. Number 1, the director can get the T5 instead of the T4 and save the taxes. Number 2, the director can give a dividend to the family members, the spouse, and the children's, or the trust for the minus children's, and pay a minimum tax. But make sure to avoid the TOSI, those T4 dividend amounts must be reasonable according to the reasonable circumstances. Number 3, the director can decide not to get a T4 at all, or a minimum T4, and let the corporation pay the taxes somewhere between 12% to 15%, depending on the government policies that is changing year after year, or the day after day. Now, you can let the real estate professional corporation build your estate while you are getting a T4 with a very small amount of the T4, maybe $30,000-$40,000, and let your whole capital to grow in the professional corporations. Number four, one of the most important benefit is that the real estate corporation, you can sell it to your family members. You can transfer it to your family members, and that same capital that is in the real estate, it can grow after that. But there are conditions. Number 1, the condition is that when you're selling it to your family member, it must be a fair market value. But the important point is that if you are selling your corporation, and that is the 6th benefit of having your professional corporation, is that when you're selling a professional corporation to your family member or at arm's length, then make sure you're using a fair market value. Number 1. Number 2, if you're selling your professional corporation shares to a fair market value, you can claim capital gain exemptions. That is, I believe, one of the biggest benefit. So my advice to you is that incorporate a professional corporation, keep all the profit of the professional corporation within the professional corporation, and let the professional corporation invest that capital, and let the capital grow within the professional corporation. Try to give a small amount of the dividend reasonable to the non-voting common shareholders of your family member, your spouse, and your kids. And then at the end, when you think you're going to retire, sell the professional corporation and claim capital gain exemption of $750,000. Thank you very much. For more information, please visit my website, audit123.ca or nasrullahcga.com. And please make sure your personal situation could change. So please, I take no responsibility of my advice. If you want to act on my advice, you have to seek a professional independent advice. Thank you very much.